Good afternoon, Jeremy Martin from Renovation Homes again. Welcome to our video blog. Really cool project we're working on. Milestone Communities, Richard Martin Fine Homes, a lot of subcontractors here in Austin got together and donated a kitchen remodel at the gala for the Boys and Girls Club this past year. The homeowners that bought this at auction, we are at their home right now. We're here in Central Austin and Pemberton, and they bought a kitchen remodel. One of the most common requests we get when we're remodeling somebody's kitchen is people want to open their house up and get a much more open feel for entertaining, which means taking out walls. This is a pretty special case. I think it's going to make for a pretty interesting vlog, so let's get inside and check it out. Okay, so here we go. This used to be 5 rooms, a very cut up old home in Pemberton, not too uncommon. So you can see now we got one big room. So the issue we have obviously is a lot of these were load-bearing walls. And so when you take these walls out, you've got to do something structurally to span this distance. This is approximately 30 feet that we're spanning. The original design called out for a pretty serious steel I-beam with some wood sistered onto it. It was really difficult to get into place, so we worked with our truss manufacturer. This came from BMC, actually. So what we've got, if Chris is going to pan up here and look at these girder trusses, it's actually 4 girder trusses, 30 feet long, that we brought in one by one. We got them into place, and obviously we sistered them all together to see what you have here. So the other issue we had when we did this, obviously, is the old roof joists that were here, completely undersized, which is again not uncommon in this situation. So you can see we've got new 2x10 joists here. We've got 2x8 joists running over there that are all hangered into this new girder truss. We've transferred the entire load of the roof all down to this girder truss here. Now, the issue with that is the weight. We're going to, the engineer calculation, basically, this was all engineered and built according to an engineer set of plans. So when the wind is blowing on this house, we could get up to 30,000 pounds of load coming down these 2 points on either end of the girder truss. So what we had to do, they were worried about using conventional framing here to transfer that load down. So you can see we had our steel guy come in, custom built some steel supports, which you see here, they did a great job. Now, the other issue, we're going to cut this video, we're going to go outside. This is only half the story. So now we transferred all of this load to this girder truss. We transferred the girder truss load down to these 2 points through the steel. Now we got to go get underneath the house and see where all this weight is falling. And you'll see what we did outside. Okay, so now we're outside. We're going to show you what happens now. So we got in here is that steel column that was carrying half the weight of that girder truss load. It's being transferred down. So this is another great example of what actually happens in the field. So you can see we've had to excavate quite a bit of dirt to get in here. We've had to break out some underpinning to get access to the crawl space. So this right here is a footer we poured. It's about 4 feet long, about 18 inches deep. And then we have embedded this weld plate right in here. And you can see we welded this on. So all of that weight from at least half of this girder truss is coming down through this steel column into this plate and being transferred to this footer on the outside. Now we got to kind of put all this back together. We've had it inspected, it looks good. So we're going to reassemble the underpinning. We've got some dirt to haul off, and this is it's going to turn out really great. We're excited about it.